Have you ever looked closely at those tiny little bugs? They're called insects. Let's learn about them.